Welcome back! Thank you so much for following my lessons. My name is Aurora and today I'm going to show you some common questions you need for daily conversation in Italian. I'm going to say some phrases using the informal address. We will use the tu pronoun. I remind you that in Italian we express politeness and formality using lei. So take a look at the video linked up here if you missed it. Okay, so let's get started. Come ti chiami? Come ti chiami? What's your name? Come stai? Come stai? How are you? Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai? How old are you? Quando compi gli anni? Quando compi gli anni? When is your birthday? Di dove sei? Di dove sei? Where are you from? Dove vivi? Dove vivi? Where do you live? Dove studi? Dove studi? Where do you study? Parli inglese? Parli inglese? Do you speak English? Cosa hai detto? Cosa hai detto? What did you say? And the last one is che cos'è? Che cos'è? What's this? I hope you enjoyed this lesson. If you like this video, please make sure to put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And remember, verde, bianco, rosso. Bye!